Alright, Internet, we are out at Ward, Colorado. We're at the Brainard Lake Recreation Area. We're going to go hike up Pawnee Pass Trail, go over the top, hike down Cascade Creek Trail, or it's Cascade Trail. And along the way we're going to pass Long Lake, Lake Isabelle. On the way out I want to check out Red Rock Lake. And then when we go over the pass and down Cascade Trail like 3 miles, we're going to go check out Crater Lake and Mirror Lake. And now I figure this is going to be about a 13-hour hike. Hopefully I over-exaggerated, but that is why we are starting at, I want to say like 3 in the morning. So it's going to be a dark start. Maybe you'll see the sunrise. Alright, I'm going to head out now. See you soon. Alright, it's a little bit after 6. I think I only have less than half a mile to the pass. You can see the sun has risen. It's not as pretty for you, I'm sorry. You see a lake way over there, a really high altitude lake. I'm not sure which one that is, but give you a little peek before it brightens up. Hasn't been too bad of a hike. We're making way better time than I figured we would. See a little snow going on there. But
time 2 hours 45 minutes. Distance 3.82 miles. Average pace 43 minutes 9 seconds per mile.
Okay, so at most I'm looking at 0.6 miles. I think this trail said 4.4 to the pass. But yeah, I figured for some reason I like to over-exaggerate the times. I just got my first real peek of the red sun. Like I said, it ain't gonna look as good as it does to the naked eye. There's no camera that does that, but at least you get to see it. I still haven't reached the pass. But hey, I'm in no hurry. We're making good time, like really good time. It's a little chilly, a little windy, but that's okay. I got a jacket. I'm not wearing it, but I got one. I'm gonna head up. You can see the path up. It gets pretty rocky after a while, and then you're just hitting switchbacks, but it's heavily wooded for most of the Pawnee Pass Trail. And I do believe I could see Lake Isabelle from above, so that should be nice on the way back. I'll show you. Lots of little animals squeaking. Ladies and gentle peoples, I have made it to Pawnee Pass. I'm just waiting for my friend to catch up. You can see 12,550 feet up. It's not too bad. You can definitely feel it and how your blood's pumping, but I don't need oxygen or anything like that. So then we're gonna go down over this side, and I believe I can't see anything on the sign, but I believe it is the Cascade Creek Trail, or the Cascade Trail. We're gonna go down that about 3 miles and go check out the lakes and then head back. Yeah, it's only been about 3 hours 20 minutes. Pretty good time. And that sun is arising. You want to see? You won't be able to. Boom! It is super cold up here and windy. My friend had to turn around. I'm gonna try to head on down this way and see Crater Lake and Mirror Lake. I don't know if you can hear me. But I tripped on it. As soon as I turned the camera off, I saw a lake come into view. I don't know if that's Crater Lake or Mirror Lake or what that really is. And I don't know if you can hear me. But I'm heading towards that. Okay, so I'm about half a mile down this This had probably the hardest part. Yeah, I just came down that. But I'm getting closer to whatever lake this is down here. I don't know if it's Pawnee Lake. That was on the sign. But I'm trying to hit up Mirror Lake and Crater Lake. That sign was like super weathered at the bottom, so I really don't know how far. It looked like it said 1.5 or 5 to Crater Lake, but I was figuring it was 3 before we even get on the trail to Crater Lake. But it's beautiful, I'll give it that. There's some clouds off in the distance, but the wind died down. My hands are slowly thawing out and I trek on. Okay, so unfortunately that is Pawnee Lake, but not so unfortunate because it's pretty dang beautiful. I'm not quite down to that, but if I can swivel back up here, I can show you. That's where I came from. Okay, so I guess I'm a few miles off from hopefully reaching Crater Lake. I passed Pawnee Lake, back in some wooded areas. It's still overcast, so not very warm yet, but chugging right along. Low bridge. Now I am unsure what this is. This might be Cascade Creek, but I thought I should get that in the video. This is a little off the side of the path. Still not to Crater Lake yet. I should be coming up on it soon, but beautiful views all around, as you can see. Very foggy, but that's okay. Alright, see you soon. Okay, I think I'm getting closer to Crater Lake. I think I'm like right on the trail, but you get to pass across what I assume to be Cascade Creek, the namesake for the trail. That probably drops way down, but I think I'm pretty much on par with my time. A little late. Spent too much time on the tippy top of the Pawnee Pass, but on the way back I should be able to hustle through it, and hopefully I'll be heading down Crater Lake Trail pretty soon. Alright, it appears that I have made it. Only a little off schedule, like 15-20 minutes behind. Past a few campers. As the sign showed, you can camp out here. But I'm gonna try to find my way there. Okay, you will know you are here when you see that sign. Guess Mirror Lake is first. I had to stop and hook my umbrella up to my backpack. It's kind of working, but it's a little rainy, but I'll make do. So I believe this right here is Mirror Lake. That is beautiful. Keep chugging this way. I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm just guessing. Yep. There's the path. Look at that. Even when it's raining, that's pretty dang blue, and it's very clear. But I gotta go see Crater Lake before I can turn around. I'm almost on par with the time I hoped I would make this in. Alright, the rain is coming down, but I have made it to Crater Lake. Surrounded by foggy top mountains. I'm gonna break down my camera and head back now. I think I'm like 15 minutes later than I wanted to be, but that just means, I waited a long time at the pass, so I should be able to make it back, and it will be a 13-hour trip. But I gotta head back, and hopefully I can show you Lake Isabelle and Red Rock Lake when I get back. Now I promised I would show you Lake Isabelle. It was dark. Actually, the sun was just coming up when I first saw this. I was like, is that a lake? I think that's a lake. And honestly, when I got to this, I was like, you know what? That's kind of ugly, because the other end is ugly. And I wasn't even gonna hook you up. But I'm a man of my word, and I'm a man that's very tired. Okay, I am not quite out yet, but I did remember that I want to show you I think it's Red Rock Lake. If it looks good. If it's not on the video, guess what? I didn't like it. But I'm gonna record, this and that, because on the way up it was pitch black, so maybe I'll see something else that's cool as well. But I'm not dead yet. I'm thinking maybe one more hour and I'll be out, and hopefully my friend is at the car. Hey guys, look, it's Red Rock Lake. That's all you get. Good night.